Adani Group stocks crash. US SEC pushes for direct email summons to Gautam Adani. The Adani Group faced a severe bloodbath on the stock exchanges today, with nearly all group companies recording deep losses. The main trigger for the panic was a new legal filing by the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The regulator has requested a US federal court for permission to serve legal summons to Chairman Gautam Adani and his nephew Sagar Adani through direct email. This move comes after the SEC informed the court that its previous attempts to serve the papers via the Indian Ministry of Law and Justice were rejected twice on procedural grounds. Investors are viewing this bypass attempt as a sign that US authorities are stepping up their aggressive pursuit of the $265 million bribery and securities fraud case, leading to a sharp exit by institutional players. The market's reaction was swift and painful, with Adani Green Energy plunging over 13% and Adani Energy Solutions dropping 10%. Flagship Adani Enterprises tumbled nearly 9%, touching a new 52-week low of ₹1,895.60. The SEC's persistence suggests that the legal cloud over the group's anti-bribery practices specifically related to Adani Green's past bond offerings is far from over. This regulatory overhang has created a valuation reset for the group as the risk of a protracted legal battle in US courts becomes more certain. Further dampening the mood, Adani Energy Solutions released its Q3 FY26 results today. The company reported a consolidated net profit of 552 crore rupees, which is a 2% year-on-year decline. While the company explained that the drop was due to a high base last year, which included a one-time tax gain, the market ignored the 15% growth in revenue and focused on the profit dip. Similarly, Adani Total Gas hit a fresh 52-week low of 510 rupees and 70 paise after reporting weak operational metrics for the December quarter. The combination of mediocre earnings and intensifying legal scrutiny from the US has left the group's stocks in a pronounced bearish zone. In summary, today's crash is a direct consequence of heightened legal and regulatory risk. While the Adani Group has maintained that all allegations are baseless, the SEC's move to ignore traditional diplomatic routes indicates a determined stance by US regulators. For investors, the focus remains on the group's ability to maintain its massive capital expenditure plans while its access to international bond markets remains clouded by these ongoing investigations. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the subscribe button to join our community. We're on a mission to decode the best stocks in the market. Don't miss our next deep dive. See you in the next one.